Hi there, I'm Kathy Pareto, the founder of Kathy Pareto & Associates, Certified Financial Planner here in Miami, Florida. In this clip, we're going to be talking about day trading for beginners. Now, I personally don't do day trading, nor do I do that with my clients, but for those of you who want to dabble in this, here's what you need to do. Essentially, you'd have to open up with a startup amount at some kind of a typically discount broker like Scottrade, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, one of whoever you choose. Be cognizant of how much your trading fees are going to be able to have some access to research on those platforms. And here's the thing with day trading is that you have to be watching it like a hawk. I mean, you're going to be married to your computer probably, and if that's okay with you, then you know, best of luck. Things to consider when day trading. Also, what kind of tax implications are going to be to your trades? Hopefully, you're very successful making profits. And if you're trading within 1 year or less, you're going to be subjected to short-term capital gains. So look at the whole picture and really try to diversify as much as you can if you're doing a risky investment like that. So that's a little bit about day trading. And this has been Kathy Pareto in Miami, Florida.